In this video, I'm going to show you how to change Open Graph Preview in Webflow. Now, the first thing you want to do over here, let me show you this. So if I go to Open Graph and then I enter in my full URL over here of my website and I click on Check Website, as you can see over here in the preview, there's going to be like an error and it's going to say you're missing an image. Now, when you want to actually change this Open Graph Preview, you want to go ahead and go inside the editor over in Webflow, and then you want to click over here where you can see your pages. And then where you can see your home page, or whichever one you want, you have to click on this settings button next to it. Now, once you click that, you want to scroll down, and then this over here is where you can see your Open Graph settings. Now, here you will have the ability to see your preview, you have the title, description, etc. And then this part over here where it says Open Graph Image is where you can actually add in your preview. So you can either select an image over here and just select one from the list over here and just add it like this, and as you can see, it's gonna get added in. Or there's also an alternative. So you can just delete this bit, and then you can also add in a URL. Now, the way you can get this URL is as follows. So you wanna go to your images or assets over here on the left, and I'm gonna save these changes first, of course. And once you're in here, you can just select the one you would like. So for example, this one, I'm going to click on those three dots, copy link. Then you want to go back inside. So back inside your pages over here, and then the settings. And then when you scroll down, you'll see you can add a URL. You can paste that in here, and it's going to automatically get added up here inside the Open Graph Preview. Now, after this, you want to click on Save over here, and then you want to publish your website again, so this actually updates. And then once this publishes, it's going to take a few minutes for it to actually update over here on Open Graph, but this is how you can essentially change your preview, and that's all you have to do. So I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.